We have dedicated 2021 to making HRU a more sustainable resort for our guests, friends and families. In fact, we have pledged to make sustainability the heart of absolutely everything that we do. We are so privileged to be in this beautiful location and recognise that we need to reduce our impact on it. So this year we have set ambitious goals to reduce our waste, energy and water. We are also making great progress in our conservation programme while working to ensure that our impact on both local and global environments and communities are as positive as possible. Our first goal this year is to increase our recycling by 25%, and to do this we're introducing mixed recycling across the whole resort. When you get to your accommodation, you'll find a reusable blue plastic bag, and this is going to enable you to do all the recycling that you do at home. Please use your blue reusable bag to store all of your mixed recycling, just as you do it at home. Into your bag you can put clear plastic, no black plastic please, drinks cans, food tins, cardboard, paper and newspapers. Please make sure that any cardboard that you have is flat packed. You could also use this bag to carry any glass in. You will just need to separate this when you get to the recycling area and put it into the glass bin. Please don't put any coffee cups or takeaway packaging into your mixed recycling bags, as that means we won't be able to recycle that bag. You can find where your nearest recycling area is on your map or on the app. There are lots of signs pointing you in the right direction. The person taking the recycling must be over 16 years old. When you get to the recycling area, just empty your blue bag into the green bin and take this bag back home with you. Put your glass into the domes and put your general waste into the blue bins. Make sure you take any items such as broken white goods to the local public recycling centre at Highbridge or home. Do not leave these outside your accommodation or at the recycling point, as this creates a hazard for both guests, children and of course our wildlife. Thank you for recycling and helping us make HRU a more sustainable resort for years to come.